So my name is Hannah. I come from Scotland, and I also studied neuroscience during my bachelor's and my master's, and now I'm continuing with it for the PhD. So I'm in the Bareyre Lab, and I'm in the first year of my PhD, so I'm about 10 months in. So the main question of my project is understanding how neurons control the action of phagocytes. So we're really interested in my project in inflammation, neuroinflammation in general. And a lot of the focus on that previously, with other papers and studies, has been on the immune cells themselves. But what we're interested in is actually, let's take a step back and what are neurons actually perhaps secreting that could then influence these immune cells and basically control the whole inflammatory process. And yeah, right now we're creating an inflammatory environment within cell culture, basically. So we have this co-culture of macrophages on top, on an insert, and then there's neurons, cortical neurons below. And we activate the macrophages with LPS, which kind of stimulates them into this inflammatory state. And right now we're using secretomics, so we're really interested to see what neurons actually secrete during this inflammatory state. And we should hopefully get some candidate molecules quite soon. And then the goal is to move maybe in 6 months' time to mice and basically do the same experiment in mice after spinal cord injury. I think a big step from the master's to the PhD is just learning to basically work very independently, actually, because the master's you're really you've got someone really by your side to tell you, and I mean you have to think independently, but I think it's really not so much. So I think the main thing that I really gained was really learning to just independently think and plan properly and all of this, I would say.